Okay. Now today we have to discuss the three program. I think that we can start with the three program. So at the very first we have to discuss for a write a program, write a C program. If you have 8% interest, 8% interest of capital. So if you have some capital value, you just go to the bank. So you just get the 8% interest. Now you have to find out the total interest. Find out total interest after 3 years. Next, you have to find out the interest per year. Interest per year. So I think you can find out how can we find out the interest per year and how can we find out the interest after 5 years, after 3 years, and we are going to find out the total value, or you can say the find out the total interest after 5 years, and after 5 years, after sorry 3 years, after 3 years, what are the total capital. So that means here it is your capital plus your 3 years interest. 3 years interest. I think it is clear to all of you. You can implement that in C language. Yes or no? Please anybody unmute.
Yes.
I will just asking for a write a C program which will gives the 8% interest. So you have to find out the 8% interest of some capital. Suppose you are giving the 1000 amount. So what is the 8% interest per year? Now you have to find out what is the total interest after 3 years. That is the second question. So you have to find out the interest per year, multiply 3. Next, after 3 years, total capital, that means your capital value, plus 3 years interest. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
So we just open
Yes,
the
sir.
DevC++ and I am requesting to all of you, please open the DevC++ so we can write the program. Go to the file, new, and the source file. So I will just take this particular question into the this. Just take the particular question in this particular part, so you can recall that. So here we have write a C program if you have the 8% interest of a capital. So can anyone say what we are writing in this particular C program? How can we write that? Very beginning. Please anyone guide me. What we can write in the very first?
Sir, first we will take the header file
So hash include
stdio out that
stdio.h.
dot h.
Next,
फिर hatch include
hash include
conio.h.
conio.h.
onio.h. Okay. After that, we are creating something main. Within main, we are writing everything. So we are creating something main. We are giving one second bracket open and close, and whatever we are writing within this particular bracket. Is it clear? So here we have to discuss at the very first, find out the 8% interest per year. If we consider the 8% interest, what is the interest after 1 year? So here we have to choose the integer type of value. So we just choose the two type of integer is there. Suppose we want some integer is the capital. So capital is one integer. Another is called that int interest. Not is, I will just write that I is INTR, interest. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, how can we find the 8% interest? At the very first, we are trying to write the printf. So taking the value of the capital, so we are writing the printf. Within bracket, we are writing the enter the capital value in rupees.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, sir, rate will be the float value or int value?
Sorry, I think, can you please repeat?
Sir, rate will be the float value, na?
No. Rate. Where is from the rate? This is the 8% interest.
सर वो डिपेंड
Yes.
करता है कि कितना अमाउंट हम लिए, उस पर
जैसे
डिपेंड करेगा कि अगर वो
8%
पॉइंट में आता है तो
इंटरेस्ट
फ्लॉट
रहता है, इंटरेस्ट तो हमेशा सर जैसे 8% इंटरेस्ट वो फ्लैट फ्लोट वैल्यू हो जाएगा ना सर?
Float value होगा. If you want, you can use the float also. Don't think for that. You can use the FLOA. I think it is clear.
यस सर.
सर टाइम नहीं लेंगे सर, टाइम?
सर कैपिटल के लिए नहीं बोल रहे थे सर, रेट के लिए बोल रहे थे.
Now there is the rate is the 8%. You can use the integer, you can use the float. I will just take with the first integer, next we have to just convert to the float. So it is take the basic amount. So maybe there is float, something paisa is given, that is I just forget that. I will just start with the taking some value. I hope Radha, it is clear, Radha Krishna. I will just take initially the integer value, so you can easily identify that.
Okay.
So we'll just take the scanf, and within the scanf, we are using the %b, I think. Now, whatever, how can we take the value of the capital? It is written the ampersand capital, CAP. Yes, it is or not?
सर एक्सक्यूज मी सर, यहाँ पे टाइम का कुछ नहीं होगा क्या सर?
Initially, I am asking for the just 1 year. I just go for 1 year. After that, we have to go for the 3 years. Okay?
ओके सर, ओके.
Okay. So if you're asking for the first 1 year, just forget that. You just forget that. 8% interest. Now we have to go for the scanf. So I think scanf is done. So if the scanf is complete, can anyone say we have to add the number? That is the I equals to, so INTR, interest equals to, how can we calculate the interest? 8%, that means, can anyone say? How can we find out the interest 8%?
Sir, capital into rate by 100.
So
सर
capital,
0.08 into कैपिटल.
okay, चलो first one मानते हैं, capital into 8 by 100. It is clear?
यस सर.
Yes or no? Now what is the result is come? We just write, just print the interest part. So print, I will just take that print, and within the bracket we just write that the 1 year interest is how much amount? How can we say that? Can anyone say? How can we write the output?
परसेंट सर, परसेंट डी.
%b after the semicolon,
कॉमा.
we are using comma, and then you are writing no ampersand. There is just INTR, whatever the function we are using. So this is the INTR, so we just write the INTR and end with the semicolon. It is clear? At the
Yes,
end
sir.
you can write the get ch. So this is end. I will just save, try to save one name. I just give some name. Save and try to execute, compile and run. So here is the, I think there is a missing, it is done by me. So you can just try to execute and compile and run. So if someone gives the 1000 rupees, What is the interest? 1 year interest is 80%. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
So I am requesting to all of you at the very first, try to write the same program in your machine. Try to write the same program in your machine. Just you can see in the screen and try to type in your machine in the Dev C++. So you can work with me and you can clarify with the C programming. Just take time and try to implement in your machine. First write the hash include stdio.h, conio.h, main, and you just choose two integer value, that is one capital and second one is interest. Now you just take some value from the user, so you use the printf and scanf. So here we are writing the enter the capital in rupees, whatever you can written, it is written in this particular part. Now whatever the scanf value, it is taking the capital value from from user side. So we just put the 1000 and we just calculate this thing. Now if you want to write here /n, that means it is represent as a next line. I will just take trying to execute and compile and run.
सर डन हो गया.
हो गया है? Okay.
हाँ सर हो गया.
Just wait for 1 minute for the others. So it is coming in the cursor in the next line. You can see here. So you just write the 1000 and you can find the 1 year interest is 80. Himanshu, just wait for 2 minutes. We just discuss for the others.
Okay sir. Okay sir.
I think many of you complete this thing.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Akash Kumar. Are you
Yes,
complete
sir.
that? Are you complete
Yes,
that?
sir. I have
Okay.
Android. हो रहा है sir.
Okay, okay. Now next I am asking for the Anurag.
Yes, sir, I'm doing. Sir, 1 minute.
Okay, take time. Don't be hurry. कहीं पे जाना नहीं है. सुमित. सुमित पिलानिया. Sumit Pilania, are you here? Ronik Sarkar?
Yes, sir, I'm writing.
Okay, okay. Take time and try to write in your machine. Make sure it is run in your machine. If anyone have any doubt, you can ask me. If you face any difficulty to run the program, you can ask me. Just unmute yourself and talk with me. Okay, Sumit done. Okay.
Sir, I have error.
Yes, Vidhan?
Sir, I am getting one error.
Error. Just you please share your screen. I just stopped that. You please share your screen. Vidhan, I am waiting for you.
Yes, sir. Just a minute. I'm sharing.
Just click the present now and go to your shares in your entire screen. Please. Is it possible? Just I'm asking for the all of you. If you are complete this program, you please write in the chat box. It is done, so I can understand that it is working. If you have facing some problem, you please write yes. Facing some problem, you can unmute yourself and talk with me, or you can write in the chat box. Vidhan, I will wait for you. I think there is some connection problem. So I will just again my screen again with you so you can see the program. Now the next question I am asking for, find out the interest for the last 3 years. Find out interest for last 3 years. How can we found that? Can anyone say?
Sir,
By
we need to
the
take another
8
into 3. 8 into 3.
So you can write that there is the 3 years interest. I will just again put another integer that is called, we can say suppose a. So we just write that a equals to 3 multiply INPR. Yes or no? Can we write that? Yes or no?
Yes sir, but sir 13 नंबर में 8 into 3 कर देंगे तो हो जाएगा ना?
You can write another way. So I cannot remove the integer for the first year then. I can't want to remove this. So I will just take this thing. So I will just again, if you find the 3 years interest, so you can write the printf. I am not going for the compound interest. I am just asking for the 3 years interest. So 3-year interest is %b. You can write the %b, and this is comma, and we choose the a. It is working or not? It is clear. You see that we just choose another integer. This is the a, and we are writing the integer a equals to 3 multiply integer and print the a value. It is clear? Yes or no? Please anybody reply.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can we run this program? So I just give the 1000. You can see that 1 year interest is the 80 and the 3 years interest is the 240. Yes or no? Now if anyone asks for the,
Yes sir.
if anyone asks for the 3 years interest with compound with capital, so we are asking for after 3 years total value. So after 3 years total value, how can we found that? So you can write that
A plus capital.
A plus capital.
Capital
Yes.
So
is
if
equal
this
to
value is stored in the some another location, I will just take the
Sir,
another
excuse me,
value.
sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes.
yes.
Chronic.
Sir, someone in the comment box says to repeat it.
Okay, I can't understand. So please tell me the program again. Ankita. Okay. So I will just go for the previous program. So I just go for the discussion. The 3 years interest. In the very first, I am discussed for the individual interest 1 year, and after that, I will just go for the 3 years interest. So we choose one value as a integer is a. You can write a. You can write anything. Suppose you are writing the 3 years interest. So I will just write A in the integer part. You can see here in this part. And after that, we are writing that whatever interest come in the 1 year, that is stored is the INTR. And now 3 years interest is just multiply with the 3. So we can say A equals to 3 multiply INTR. Yes, Ankita? Yes or no? Please reply. I think Ankita, I think you were in the meeting.
Sorry, sir, but actually I joined this session for the very first time today, so I can't understand anything what you tell.
Okay, okay. I think you were in the section A1 or A2.
A1, sir.
Confirm A1.
Mm-hmm.
So I think you are not joined in the previous class.
Yes, sir.
Can you please say your enrollment number, last 4 digit?
Enrollment. So just a minute.
Okay, if you have problem, please forget that. I will just start with the very first thing. So it is starting with the one of the C program. C program is nothing but a one kind of programming language. So we are using some kind of language in our daily life. That is, someone say Hindi, someone say English. So this is a one kind of language. Now in this particular language, we are trying to implement some kind of application. So here we have to try to implement some interest in the banking system or any kind of capital marketing system. So you can easily identify that here we have to use some header file. Basically, this is nothing but some header file. So yeah, I will just go for that. This is nothing but some header file. So this header file is nothing. We have to store some information in this header file. Whatever we are writing in the printf and scanf, this is nothing but there. Now I will just go for the next thing, that is the whatever we are writing in the program, this is within the main. So within the main, whenever we are writing the program, this is nothing but we are writing printf, scanf, this all things is stored in the header file. So printf means anything just print in the black screen. Scanf means anything print in the anything information taken by the user. So scan karna matlab that is taken by the user. So here we have to just write the logic. Now I am requesting Ankita, you please wait for some time, because at the end of the class, please don't leave the meeting. I will definitely discuss each and everything after the end of this class today. So you please wait after 4 in this meeting. I will definitely discuss one by one each and everything. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Just wait for after 4. So we just discuss each and everything. So I am requesting to for all of them. Can we print the value of the last 3 years interest? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I think I just
Yes, sir.
save, try to run. So compile and run. So I will just write the value is suppose 1000. Same. So you can see that there is the 1 year interest is 80, and for 3 years interest is 240. It is clear. I think all of you done in your machine.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
I will just one Bidhan. I think you will run in your machine.
Sir, can I share my screen now?
Definitely, you can share your screen. Please share. I will stop sharing.
Okay, sir. Sir, is it visible?
No. You please
Hello.
click the present now and go to the your entire screen. Please click. Bidhan, I am waiting for you. Vidhan, it is possible for you to share your screen?
Yes, sir. I click on share now, and then what to do?
Just click your present now. Present now.
Sir, I clicked on present now. There one
Then
option
go to
coming
the
there.
your entire screen.
Yes, sir. I clicked on that.
I think Vidhan, your screen is not visible.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir. No, your screen is not visible. I think there is some connection problem with you.
Okay, sir.
So
I will try later.
okay. I will just connect my screen. So I hope we can understand that basic concept of the how can we write the C program in the last 3 years interest. If anyone asks you, find the total capital after 3 years. Find the total capital after 3 years. How can we find that? Find the total capital after 3 years.
So take another variable.
Take another variable. Yes, I will take the B.
Yes.
Suppose. Now, what is the
Then
logic?
do sir b equals to
B equals to
b plus
B equals to B plus. Okay.
b plus capital. What is the capital variable? C. I think so. C the capital variable.
Capital.
Sorry,
CAP.
CAP. Yeah, CAP.
Sir,
Yes.
Plus A.
E
Yes.
plus. So why we are taking the B value? Can you say why we have used this
Because
B
for
value?
summation. For summation.
No. We just take the
सर
3
बी
years.
नहीं होगा सर.
B तो नहीं होगा. You
यस
just
सर
choose
नहीं होगा बी.
B value is that there. That means this B is again come is here. So we are not take the B value. We just taking the capital value and the 3 years interest value.
यस सर.
So I just end with one semicolon. I just end with one semicolon, or you just give bracket or give not bracket. That is up to you. I just remove the bracket also. Now we have to just print the B. So I will just take the copy the same thing and print the B. So this is the B, and I am writing here total value after 3 years. Total value after 3 years is B value? Yes or no? Can anyone say I
Yes.
am right now?
Yes, yes.
So I will just try to save and execute and run. So suppose this value is again give the 1000. Sorry, 1000. So it is come as a 1 year value is the 80. 3 years value is the 240. Total value in 3 years is the 1240. Yes or no?
Sir,
Yes,
I have
sir.
one doubt, sir.
Yes. Please tell me.
Sir, if we do b equals to 0, then means in my computer I have done b equals to 0, then it's coming 1240 only. If int b equals to 0 for summation, then we can do that b equals to b plus cap plus a.
You can write that b equals to 0. That means that this value is 0, and you can write that.
Yes, sir.
But
That one I'm
why? Yes. You just use give the value initial value is 0. You can write that. Definitely you can write that.
Okay.
But here you are not going for the complicated one. So this is the easy way. You just declare one another variable and use this variable as a output. I think it is clear to all of you. Please try to run in your machine, all of you.
Sir, done, sir.
Okay, Himanshu, done. So I will just ask for the another one. Anisha, it is complete.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, Bishuru, Biswas. Please, if you are done, please write in the chat box so we can identify. Or if you are facing some problem, you can please write in the chat box also. It is not, it is some problem or something. Or you can unmute and talk with me.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have initialized the new value of capital in the capital itself.
Your implies that
I have initialized the new value of capital, means sir, capital after third year in the capital itself without taking a new declaration value.
I think you have done this program in a different way.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is working.
Yes, sir, working.
Okay, okay, fine. I know the same program you can write in the different way. That is what is, it is the same as is English language. Suppose English language, I can say anything, the same content any another person can say in the different English way, different tone, different technique. The same, if you write one C program, if you ask for the 5%, the 5% will give the different type of C program. These 5 are also working, and 5 are also right also. You can remember that. No one is wrong. If it is working, it's fine. If there is, you are facing some problem, or if you are facing some compilation error, then you definitely ask me. I think all of you working. If anyone have any doubt, you can ask me. Unmute yourself and talk with me.
Sir, I have a compilation error, sir.
Okay, you have compilation error. Okay, it is
Yes, sir.
possible to share your screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, please share your screen. Running. Click the present now and go to your entire screen. Ronik Sarkar? What is going on? Ronik, are you here?
Sir, I have taken one snapshot of my screen. I will send you that in your WhatsApp.
You're sending me in the WhatsApp. Okay.
Sir, my sound is clear.
Yes, yes, sound is clear.
Sir, my screen is visible.
Yes, yes, your screen is completely visible.
Sir, here, sir, in get ch.
Just compile and
Here.
run.
Yes, sir, here.
Yes, you can go to the line number 40.
14 number.
Line number 40 is end with semicolon.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now I am just asking that Anushka Mitra says, sir, can you explain it again? So I will just explain with you again and again. Just allow me 1 minute. So I think my screen is visible to all of you, and you can see that. Yes, my screen is visible.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So now I'm just going for that. This is nothing but a implementation of a last 3 years capital. So we have choose the 4 variable, that is first in the capital, which is taken by the user, and second is the interest, and A is represented 3 years interest, and B is represented after the 3 years complete value is represented B. So here we have to choose that printf. Printf is explained that within this printf you can write anything. So here we are writing the enter the capital value in rupees. So you can write here your name also, you can write anything. So it is printed in your black screen. And the scanf is nothing but a representation of the capital. We are taking the information of the capital. So we are taking the whatever the 1000 value, whatever the user given value, using this capital CAP. Now we have to check for the first interest. So what is the interest after 1 year? So this is the simple interest value. We just capital multiply with the interest rate, that is the 8% interest is given, and divided by 100, and we are trying to print this value, this INTR value, as a what is the first year interest. Next we have to write that integer value is multiplied with the 3. That means what is the last 3 years experience. So last 3 years interest is represent as a. So here we just print the a value, and here we just multiply with the interest with the 3, because we know that in the first year whatever the interest is come, it's just multiply with the 3. The next year we have to discuss for the next line. This is the total capital after 3 years. So after 3 years, there is the capital is for the A. This is the 3 years complete interest, and we add with the capital. So this result is coming as a B. We just print the B value. So here we have to just print the 3 different particular part. I will just try to run this program and execute and compile and run. So here we can see that there is the 1000 we are given. Now there is come the first is 1 year interest, this is 80. Second is 3 years interest, this is 240. And the next is the total value after 3 years, that is your capital plus 3 years interest. So this is 1000 plus 240, this is the 1240. I think it is working. Yes or no? Please, anybody reply?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will just go for the next programming. So can I delete this thing? Yes or no? Can I delete this thing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I want to ask the another C programming. Suppose you are saying that write a C program to find out the gross salary. Find out the gross salary. Now they are asking for where the basic salary given by the user, where the basic salary given by the user, and there is DA. One is the drawing allowance. This called the DA is the 16%, and you have the TA, travel announcement. TA is the 5% of your basic salary. So find out the gross salary. So we have to find out the gross salary. Now you can identify that where the basic salary is given by the user. So we are giving the basic salary, and we have to find out that DA is the 16% of a basic salary, 16% of basic salary, and TA is the 5% of the basic salary. So how can we find that? Please, anybody reply?
Sir, gross salary will be basic plus DA plus TA.
So I think it is, you are right. So I will just go for that. Just allow me. So you can find that there is the gross salary. Gross salary is equals to basic plus TA plus TA. So how can we find that? Does anybody reply?
Sir, first we need to take basic salary from user.
Okay. After that,
Then we need to calculate the DA, which is 16% of basic.
I will just start with you. So what is the first thing we are writing?
Header file has included.
header file. So this is the hash include
stdio
stdio.h. Next, hash include
hash
ponyo.h.
ponyo.h.
.h. Next, we have to declare one main. Within this main, we are writing whatever within the second bracket. So you have to remember whatever we are writing within this second bracket. Now you can remember that what is the first thing we have to done? We have to take some information of the basic salary from the user. So we are writing the printf basic salary now we are just taking this value scanf. So before we starting the printf, here we have to declare some basic salary, so it is represented as BS suppose. So we are taking this scanf is %d. How can we write that? %d comma, does anyone guide me? %d comma, does anybody reply?
And basic salary.
And ampersand basic salary. So BS. So here we are taking the BS capital. Now after that, what is the procedure? Find out the DA. So DA equals to, what is the DA value? 16% of the basic salary. So how can we find? Is anybody reply? We are giving the 8% interest. Last example.
B into 16 divided by 100.
So this is the BS into 16. It is giving one bracket for the clarification purpose. Divided by 100. And the same way, how can we find out the travel announcement? Can anyone say? How can we find the travel announcement?
The basic salary into 5
Yes, into 5 upon 100.
5 divided by 100. And remember that end with the semicolon. Now here we have to use the DA and TA. So you can just write here as a declaration DA and the TA. I hope it is clear. Now we are going to find the answer. So answer is basic salary. Sorry, we can just take the gross salary. So it is represented as GS. Gross salary is represented as GS equals to basic salary plus whatever we can say DA plus TA and with semicolon. Yes or no? And here we have to choose the another variable, that is the gross salary. Yes or no? This is our logic.
Yes, sir.
Now we are writing the printf. So we are writing here printf, printf, within bracket we are writing that suppose the gross salary is nothing but we have to write. How can we represent the output? That is writing the some %b and after that give the comma. So after the comma we are writing that value of the GS.
Yes, sir.
And with semicolon give the get ch and end with semicolon. I hope it is working. So can we run that? I will just try to save.
प्रिंटेड का p small होगा सर, small p.
Sorry.
Sir,
Sir,
small f.
printf का p small होगा.
Okay, I have done mistake. Yes, you're right. I will just save this program and try to execute. So you can see that what is the gross salary? Gross salary we are giving, suppose 25,000. So if we give the basic salary is 25,000, so gross salary is come as the 30,000 to 250. Now, if you want to print the individual travel allowance and the whatever the DA, so you can write that the same way. The printf within bracket we are writing that the gross salary, sorry, the DA is, how can we write that? Percent D,
D,
comma
DA.
DA. Next end with semicolon. Again, printf the PA is, again we have to write the percent D, comma PA. So end we have to go for the gross salary. I will just save this program and try to compile and run. You can see here, if you put the gross salary is the 25,000, again 25,000. Now this is come, the DA is the 4,000, travel announcement is the 1250, and the gross salary is the 30,250. Yes, it is working.
Yes, sir.
Now you please try to implement in your machine the same program. Try to implement in your machine. You can see the code and try to implement in your machine. If you are facing some problem, you can tell me.
Sir, if we want to write that TA in a new line, then where to put that slash n?
You just put the slash n within this semicolon. So suppose we are writing here the slash n. Now suppose here we are writing the slash n. Sorry, slash n. I just try to save and compile and run with you. Just allow me 1 second. Just save, and the very end you can write or you cannot write. It's up to you, because after that, if there is some spaces there or not, we can't notify that. I will just compile and run. I think there is some mistake. There is slash n is given. Okay, this is the within this one. So this is the slash n. I am doing the mistake. Okay, this is the slash n. I will just try to save and compile and run. So again, you just give the 25,000. Suppose your salary, basic salary. If just enter, it is coming the next line. So you can see that this is the DA is the 4,000. It's coming the next line. TA is the 1250 in the next line. And the last thing we have to discuss the gross salary. So I think it is visible to all of you. You just give the slash n within the invited code. So I am requesting to all of you, please share your square. Please write in your machine, all of you, whatever program we have done. And if you are complete, you can write in the chat box.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Or not. You can write in the chat box. Vishwarup Biswas done. Akash Kumar done. Okay, Ronnie complete.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Anisha is no, sir. Anisha, it is possible to share your screen? Anisha, it is possible to share your screen? Can you please unmute and talk with me? So where is the problem? Network issue. So can you write in the chat box that where is the program problem is there? Exact what kind of error is given? Yes, Anurag, you are right that we can use the different function, but here we have to try make it very simple. So that's why we are using this way. We are trying to make a code very simple. You can use function, you can use different kind of technique. So I hope many of you complete. Sumit, are you complete? No. Radhakrishna, I think you have complete. Radhakrishna, I think you have complete.
Yes, I have completed, sir.
Okay. Priya Chandak. Priya Chandak. I think he is not there. Anyway, many of you complete. Yes, sir. Okay, Priya Chandak is written. Yes, sir. So can we delete this particular file? I think all of you run this program, and if you are unable, you can take a snapshot of this your screen so you can write in your machine. So can I delete this thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the next we have to discuss one programming which is include the if and else. So here we have to find out, write a C program. We'll just write a C program to find even or odd. So if there is any number, we are trying to find out even or odd. It is this number is even or this number is odd. I think this is one of the very easy question. So we are trying to implement using C language, and this is our last program for today. So I think Pritam sir is discuss about the if and else. Yes and no?
Yes, sir. Can we try first, sir? Then you will explain us, sir. Give us 2
You
minutes.
want to
That is-
try? Okay,
Yes,
but I think I will just do with you, and after that I will give some example with you. You can try at your home.
Okay, sir.
So you can tell me what I am writing. You just tell me. You just tell me I am writing with you. Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can tell me. What is the very first thing we have to write?
Header file.
Header file. So we are writing that hash include
stdio.h.
io.h. Okay. Next we are writing the hash include conio.h.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So conio.h. So next, can you please
Next
say
to main function.
main function. So I will just enter with the main. So there is the one bracket.
Yes.
So now what is we have to
Int
write?
n. Int n.
Int n.
N.
Okay.
Yes. Then we need to take printf.
Printf.
Enter the number.
Enter the number. So we'll just write the enter the number. Okay, and
Then-
semicolon. Remember
Yes.
that.
Scanf.
So whatever we have this, the scanf. Yes, the
Percent
scanf
D.
with the within bracket percent
Percent
D,
D. Comma.
and with the one comma and give the
ampersand,
ampersand and
n, yes. Then,
yes.
yes.
Now,
The
what is
if,
the if? There is the if statement we are using.
if n divided by 2 means n modulus 2,
So here it is the n modulo
Modulo
2. That means this
2
is the modulo 2.
equals to 0
Now, do you know why we are using the modulo here?
for
Modulo
remainder.
is
यस सर,
identified for the remainder.
इंटीग्रल पार्ट देगा सर, इंटीग्रल पार्ट देगा उसका.
No. There is some misconception with you. At the very first, this modulo is represent the remainder part. Remainder means there is something when we are going to division.
Yes.
There
I
is
forgot
something
say yes.
extra bit which is coming, which is called the remainder. And we are checking this remainder is equals to. That means it is checking it is equals to 0 or not. That means the if remainder is 0, we can say something. If remainder
Printf
is
even.
not equals to 0, we can say this is a odd number. I hope it is clear. This
Yes,
is
sir.
basically modulo is working for the remainder, and this double equals is working for just compare the value. It is checking it is same as or not. Yeah. Now we just write that. Can you please
Printf.
again
Printf
printf?
even number.
The number is the we can
Even.
say
Even
the
number.
number is. I will just write anything. This number is even.
Yes.
And next,
Else.
there is else. That means this is not equals to 0. That means the remainder is come 1, 2, 3, 4, anything value, not the 0. Now on that time it is print. So printf,
Odd number.
INTF. I have done some spelling mistake. So this is within that you have to write the number is
Odd number.
odd. Sorry, is odd. So end with semicolon. Now what is the next?
Get ch.
Okay, give the get ch. I think this is complete. Can we run the program?
Yes, sir.
There is given some else. There is some problem. Will not give this one. Now you just print any number. You please give any number, whatever in your mind. Yes.
46.
43.
46.
46. Okay, I will give the 46. This number is even. Now, suppose if you want to give the some value is odd number, you just enter any number. I think what is going on? Yes, enter any number, which is the odd. Can we give the 42, 43? We can check the number is odd. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt within in your mind? Anyone? How can we write the if and else?
सर if और कोई सर स्टेटमेंट के समय हम लोग को इंडेंटेशन देना जरूरी है ना?
Sorry, I can't hear you. Ronnie, can you please repeat your question?
सर if else और elif इस केसेस में इंडेंटेशन देना जरूरी है ना सर?
मतलब end with semicolon?
नो सर, ऐसा if स्टेटमेंट हो गया, कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट्स, वहाँ पे
Yes.
इंडेंटेशन देना जरूरी है ना सर यहाँ पे?
Like a
मतलब
curly braces.
C language में.
He is asking about curly braces means.
No sir, no sir.
Indentation. Now, just remember that whenever we are using for only and only one simple thing, now you cannot give the bracket or something difference. So
No,
make
sir,
it simple.
the indentation, sir, not the bracket. Indentation.
Means?
So after the conditional statement, if we have written printf to some right extent.
Yes.
So in C language, we have to do this. It's a space indentation.
Space. I can't get you what you are asking for.
सर जो हमने
Sir, actually in Python we use indentation. Okay, sir. Actually, he's asking about that indentation. So
Okay, this is not required here. This is not required. This is the
जैसे
same
सर
thing.
प्रिंट एफ लिखे है वो इफ के स्टेट लाइन में लिख सकते हैं सर, इफ के वो लाइन में?
We can write, but in different way. But here we have to just make it simple, so that's why we are going for the next line. You can write in the same line, but
नो सर,
different.
नॉट इन सेम लाइन, एक ही तरफ पूरा, मतलब स्टेट लिखेंगे। जैसे पहले वाला पैराग्राफ में हम लिखे है इंट एन प्रिंट एफ, मतलब इंडेंटेशन सेम है उनका, वैसे
No,
ही
no, no,
सेकंड
no.
वाले में।
No, it is not possible.
ओके, मतलब पाइथन की तरह सेम है, इंडेंटेशन देना ही पड़ेगा।
Yeah, Python is different language. I am saying you, there is a different kind of language. Suppose some language is Bengali, some language is Hindi, something is Rajasthani, Marwari language, something is English. So they are not at the same. So the same thing, if you consider for the some language in the C, something is Python, those are the completely different. If you go for the Java, that is the again difference. So you cannot follow the same rules and put it the same thing in the all language. You cannot do that. So I am requesting to all of you, please, if you complete this program, if and else, you can write in the chat box, yes, it is working or not. Okay, or yes, it is run in your machine or not. Vishwarup Biswas, okay, done. And what about the others? Yes, Samragji Sharma complete. Sancharini Vashak done. Akash Kumar done. And what about the others?
नहीं हो रहा है।
Your name, I just find it. Himanshu. इसका नहीं हो रहा है. Can you please tell your name?
सर हिमांशु चौधरी।
Okay. Is it possible to share your screen?
सर ओके सर, जस्ट मिनट।
Okay, I think many of you complete.
Sir,
Yes or no?
sir,
Please
can I
reply.
start this?
Sorry, Himanshu.
Hello.
Is it working?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can I say?
Yes, definitely share your screen. I'll just wait for you. Please share your screen. Himanshu?
Sir, but your screen is presenting. Sir,
I will just
sir, your
stop sharing.
presenting.
I
Okay,
will
sir.
stop.
Okay, sir.
Just click the present now. You just click the present now and go to your entire screen.
Sir, नहीं हो रहा है.
Why it is not working? Just click the present now and go to your entire screen. Okay, I think there is some problem. Technical problem. Shonu Sharma, I think you have done all the program. Shonu Sharma.
Sir, is it visible?
No, it is not visible. I am again starting my share screen. You please share your screen. It is not visible after all. You just click the present now and go to your entire screen so that we can see that. And I am asking to Shonu Sharma, are you run the program?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Sir, is it visible?
No, no, no. It is completely not visible. Anything is not visible. I will just go for this one. So I think, yes, Himanshu, you are start presenting. Yes. Can you please go for the your Dev C++? I think you are creating the present now and goes to the a window. You have to go for the just stop presenting and go for the your present now and go for your entire screen. Again, go for the present now and your entire screen. The very first option. You can see here.
Sir, is it?
You just click the present now and go to your entire screen. I think there is some problem, technical problem.
The network problem.
Okay, okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me or you can send whatever the screenshot to my WhatsApp. I will definitely discuss that. And I think today we have to discuss with end with this program. I think all of you complete this, many of you complete this program. And now I am just discuss with a few things which is regarding the Google Classroom. I think many of you are join in the Google Classroom, and you can see that there is the assignment is given, which the last date is the yesterday, is just complete. So I see many of you are not submitting. You can see here there is the list of students, those who are not submitting the assignment. I don't know what is the reason. I say there is the many students is submit the assignment. I can see their name. Yes, they are submit. And I can see there is the many of the students are not submit their assignment. Maybe there is the two problem is there. I can see that some students are giving assignment in the announcement. If you have to submit this assignment to the classwork, and you can see that there is assignment is given, and you can see here is the you can submit your assignment. Now if you submit to assignment in the announcement, it is quite impossible to identify each and everybody. So you have to try, you can submit again into the classwork. So I will just say with you Akash Kumar, Shubhadeep Maiki, Himanish Chaudhary, Himanshu Chaudhary, there's all are the submitting this particular copy or this thing in the announcement. Please go to the Google Classroom and choose the first assignment. Suppose you can see here there is the first assignment is there. You just go to the view assignment and submit that. So make sure you have to done within this assignment one. I think it is clear. Please anybody reply?
Yes, sir.
And the second thing I have to say with you, if you go to the classroom, there is the another is the lab copy submission. So last week we have complete this particular implementation. Add 2 numbers, subtract 2 number, multiply 2 number, convert kilometer to meter, and we have to choose the meter to kilometer, centigrade to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to centigrade. I can see here there is the only few students that submit the lab copy. Only 21 students are submit the lab copy. I can see, and the rest of them are not submit. I don't know what is the reason. I am requesting to all of you, Please submit within today.
The submission time is 24th, sir. So we are not submitting right now. We are
Okay,
relaxed.
take time. Okay, for the lab copy, take time. You can submit, but make sure your assignment should be submit. This date
The
should be the.
assignment is submitted, sir.
Okay, okay, no problem. But I am asking for, yes, you are right. This is 24 September. But I am asking for the assignment copy. This is the last date is the 14 September. So I think this date is over. So those who are not submit in this particular assignment, please submit your assignment. And remember that don't post in the whatever the announcement. There is the one option is there. There is announcement. I can see here. Many of you submit the assignment in the announcement. So don't post here. Try to go to classroom, choose the assignment one, view assignment. You can have the option. You can just submit your assignment. I can see many of you submit the assignment in this particular, but many of you are submitting the announcement. So make sure you have to submit the your assignment in the whatever we can say assignment. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no? Now, whatever we have discussed today, basically today we have to discuss the first program with the um, one kind of percentage, and the second program we have discussed the capital balance or this kind of thing, and the third program we are using the even and odd number. So this three program I will again give you another lab copy submission. Maybe within next week you have to submit that. I will share with you the Google Classroom, another mail you receive from my side, and you have to submit within, take time, 1 week or 2 weeks, but try to submit. Okay, I think it is clear. Please anybody reply.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Sir, can you show
Yes,
can
sir.
you show once more how to submit the lab copy?
Sorry, I can't hear you, Vidhan.
Sir, please show once more how to submit the assignment lab copy.
One output or demo copy. You are asking for the demo copy.
Sir, assignment lab copy how to submit in the Google Classroom.
You just enter the Google Classroom and just I will share with you. You just suppose you have this particular Google room. You just go to the classroom. Whenever you have to go to the classroom, you can see that there is the first one is assignment is given, which is given by the MKS sir. Now suppose the second one, you can see there is the lab copy submission. So I will just click that. Now go to the view assignment. Now there is the one demo copy is given. How can we write in this demo copy? So I will just open this thing, and you can see that there is the instruction is there, and according to that you can chat here. You can see that many of your friends are writing chat, yes done sir, okay sir, or something, and you can submit. There is the another submit option for the student work. You can see there is the submit option. You just upload the Word file or PDF file, whatever you want. You just click Word file or PDF file. It is very easy.
Sir, if we have done the program in computer, then from computer how to upload that file in Classroom?
So you have to open, suppose you have the demo copy. So I will just download this thing. So you can just download. I will just make it as a file. So I think this is visible to all of you. This is a demo copy. So suppose you are writing one code, so you just copy the same code and paste the Word file. Suppose this is a Word file, I will just open with you the demo copy, but it's just save. You just open the, sorry, I will just go for the copy. So you just fill it your name and this thing. Now suppose if you want to code this particular program, so you just write whatever you have written, you just copy and paste. Okay, and you just give whatever we are using, Dev C++ and Windows 8, Windows 10, whatever machine you are using. Now you can write a C program to find out even out, to find even odd. Next we have to write that go for the this particular output screen. So how can we take the output? This is our output. You can just go to the snipping tools. There is already pre-installed software. You just click on the snipping tools, just click the new. You just whatever the your answer is, just copy and paste it to the Word file. So I think it is complete. It is clear, Bila?
Yes, sir.
And if you have facing some problem, you definitely call me or WhatsApp me. Yes, something is problem in your mind. How can we write that or anything? You can definitely WhatsApp me. I will definitely try to give the answer. Okay?
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, I am not that much familiar with the computer, so I am facing much problem using it.
Okay, no problem. No problem. You just ask me.